I am Kiranpreet Kaur from Makkar IELTS, and this graph which I have come up with today was seen on 10th October 2020 in the academic IELTS writing test in the 9 a.m. slot. The chart below shows the percentage of young people in higher education in four different countries in 2000, 2005, and 2010. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So you can see this is the percentage of young people in higher education. On the y-axis, we have the percentage, on the x-axis, the four countries, and these are the 3 years 2000, 2005, and 2010. The bar chart illustrates the percentage of youth in higher education in four different countries between 2000 and 2010. Overall, it can be seen that country D had the highest proportion of youth enrolled in tertiary education over the 10-year period. Also, in all the countries apart from country B, there was an increase in youth enrollment over the 10 years. The most significant rise in youth enrollment in higher education could be seen in country A and D. In 2000, about 38% of the young people from country A were enrolled in universities, while in 2010 the proportion stood at 62%. Similarly, country D also witnessed a substantial rise in the proportion of young people studying in higher educational institutes, with figures rising from 64% in 2000 to 80% in 2010. In country C, there was a marginal rise, and the proportion of youngsters studying in universities went up by 6% to reach 52% over the decade. Unlike countries A, C, and D, there was a fluctuation in the percentage of youth in higher education programs in country B. The figure fell from 46% to 41% till 2005, but then rose slightly to stand at 43% in 2010. So this is the sample answer I've prepared, and we have recently put up our videos on how to write a column graph or bar graph in 10 sentences. This has been made on the same lines. The one sentence is of the introduction, then there are two sentences of the overview. One sentence is of the maximum minimum comparison, and the other sentences of the trends. So this is because in this there are years given, so one sentence could be made of trends. So this is a complete overview. First sentence we've written highest proportion of youth, that is the adjectives comparison of the superlative degree, and in the second sentence we have given the trend, that is increased. And then there is two paragraphs. There are two paragraphs. In the first paragraph, I have combined country A and country D because they have similar trends, the increase. And in the second paragraph, I've taken B and C. First, I talked about C, and then about B. It shows fluctuations. And so everything is complete, and this is around 200 words, which is okay. It should not be less than 150, and I don't even suggest to write more than 200. Thank you very much for watching patiently. Keep coming back on the channel and on our website for more latest exam questions and other good content to prepare for the IELTS. Thank you once again.